Hi, I'm Jessica Williamson, Marketing Manager for Massey Ferguson Hay Machines, and today we're excited to introduce the 1436 DB. What we have here behind us is our highly efficient double baler. What this baler does is it creates two 14 by 18 small square bales at the same time. We have a wider pickup at the front. From panel to panel, it's 105 inches, which is actually the same width that we have in our large square baler. What this is going to do is increase the throughput and capacity. We can have much larger windrows, and this baler is going to do a great job of taking that hay and forming it into the chamber and separating it into two separate bales. This baler actually only has one chamber and one plunger. It has a splitting knife in the middle of the chamber, so as that plunger comes forward and creates that bale, it's actually splitting it into two separate bales. One of the key features of this machine behind me is our independent knotter trip system. And what this does is, as these bales are formed, each simultaneously side by side, it's going to tie them independently of one another. So if we have an inconsistent crop feed into the chamber, it's only going to tie the bale that's ready to be tied at the specified length. So this is actually going to help us whenever it comes to transport, stacking. This is going to help us to keep that consistent bale that our Hesston small square balers are known for. So let's take a look at our independent knotter trip system. So what you'll see here is, as the bales are coming out of the chamber, we have a separation wall that's keeping those bales separate from each other. And then they're going to be tied independently of one another, so that they're being tied as this star wheel is sensing the proper length in which we determine from the cab of the tractor. So this is our Simply Bale system, and it comes standard on every 1436 that we sell. It's also available aftermarket for your small square baler. And what this shows is many different things that are available on a large square baler. You can show flake size, so flake width, flake count, what your previous bale's flake count was. Also has the option to show moisture. We can also see our bales per hour efficiency. Also, if you get a scale kit, you can see the bale weight on this. So what this does is it allows you to really fine tune what it is that you're baling. You can also fine tune your precision to what your customer's needs are. And like I said, this is available on every 1436 DB. Another cool feature about this baler is the high capacity for twine. So this baler will actually hold 10 balls of twine on each side of the baler. So it's going to look the same on the other side. With me today is the 4160V. This is our silage baler. We have this available in 4x5 and 4x6 options. With me here today is the 4x5 option. This baler was specially designed from the ground up to specifically handle heavy, high moisture crops. So this is a specially designed silage baler. On this machine, we have the extra cut option, where it's actually reducing the length of cut of that long stem crop to help with the ensiling process. And what research has shown is that the shorter the length of cut and the shorter we can shorten that stem, the better that silage is going to ferment after the oxygen is excluded from it. And this baler is specially designed to shorten the length of that stem with our extra cut system. Also available on this baler is a hydraulic drop floor. And what this is going to allow us to do is to slow down the ground speed and allow that high moisture, high yielding crop to continue to flow into that baler without plugging it up, and allow that crop to continue to form into the bale.
Hey, this is Kevin Llewellyn, Tactical Marketing Manager for the Massey Ferguson Rural Lifestyle Compact Tractors. Today I want to talk about our new model year 2025 compact lineup. This is a new generation for Massey Ferguson that we're really excited about. And I just want to start out by saying that everything that was integrated and updated on the model year 25 machines was led with customer-led innovation. So voice of customer feedback really drove us to make some of the changes to say, how can we improve the value, better comfort, and more versatility within our lineup. Today I want to take you through our new 1M.25 tractor. What you see behind me here is the smallest 25 horse premium compact tractor that we offer with the factory integrated cab. It is available as well in an open station machine. So here you can see our 3-range hydrostatic transmission. You've got an updated instrument panel here, so for your engine hours, your fuel usage, really sleek, modern, intuitive, up to date. You've got your tilted steering for ease of use and operator comfort. You've got your 2-pedal system here for forward and reverse, makes doing that loader work and mowing really easy. You've got cruise control within the machine, LED lighting, and you've got your loader control joystick here, really ergonomic, easy to use, easy to operate. Behind me here you see a new 1M.25 tractor. This is a new model year 2025 tractor we're really excited to launch within our lineup. We took some voice of customer feedback and some of the changes that you'll see integrated on this machine we've been able to add in. We're really excited to bring more value to our customers. So again, behind me you see the new 1M.25. This is a cab tractor. It comes available in either a classic or deluxe cab configurations with some LED light options, rear remotes, for that ease of use and comfort for the operator. It comes equipped in either a cab or open station configuration.
John Conroy, Field Product Specialist with AGCO Corporation. I'm standing in front of a Massey Ferguson 12-row narrow transport planter. We offer these in 3 sizes, being it the 12-row, 16-row, or the 24-row. All these planters are set on 30-inch row spacing. This is a central bulk fill planter with a 500-gallon liquid tank on the front. It does have the PTO option for hydraulic drive, so if your tractor is not fully compatible to run the planter, you'll need to get this option from the local dealer. These planters do come from the factory, precision planting equipped. So what that is delta downforce, V-set meters, and electric drives. You can also outfit your planters completely with multiple precision planting units from your local dealer. Come visit us at any of our dealer locations in the United States and see if we can get a planter on your farm this spring. Thank you.